treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This two-door, four-passenger coupe offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Mercedes-Benz are offered, including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, power front seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.